Hi and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a free landing page with WIX website builder. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. After watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as well, you can check out other videos on the channel. Alright, so this video is for beginners who want to create a landing page to promote an affiliate offer but don't have the money to subscribe to an email marketing software. And also, this landing page will help you in order not to get banned on Facebook, Quora, or other social media networks. So if you don't have WIX account, I'll drop a link in the description box. It's a tutorial on how to create a WIX account. And after, you're just gonna log in. It's easy to set up. Just click on get started and sign up. Alright, so I'll log in into my account. Alright, so right now I've logged into my account. You have empty dashboard, okay? Create new site. Alright, so what kind of website should this be? So you can click any of this and you'll get a template and you can work with it. But in this case, I will use the other because I want to use a blank page. Let Wix ADI create a website for you. I don't want that. So I'll use create your website with the editor. This you have full control. So I'll click edit template. These are the templates. I don't want any of this, so I'll go up and click this and I'll type blank and enter. But I want this one, so I'll click edit. Alright, so this is the blank page, and what I'll do, I'll click on this and I'll move it up. Okay, and I'll click on here and I'll move it down. So if I want more space, I'll keep pushing it down. Alright, so next I'll use Digistore24, but you can use ClickBank or any affiliate website. Alright, so on your left, you have all the categories. But today, I'll promote something from the health niche. So this is the product I would like to promote. I'll open the sales page. Okay, so right click. And make sure you have terms, privacy. Sometimes you might have a disclaimer. Okay, they are all the same, or even if you come down here, you see it. So we're gonna go up. Alright, so as you try to get off the page, wait, discover the odd metabolism trigger and the real experiences of women and men just like you who use it every morning to melt away stubborn fat. I'll go back here, I'll right click and save as image. Alright, then I'll save. So it's saving. I'll go back and I'll click on the plus. Alright, so you have Stripe, test, image, button, gallery. So I'll click on image, click on image. So upload from media. So you can upload from your computer or from the link. So what I'll do next, I'll go back here and I'll drag and drop it. Alright, so I'll click add to image. Alright, so I can just move it a little bit to this side. Alright, so what I'll do next, I'll add test. So click on the plus sign, test, title. So drag and drop it here and move it up to the center. So you click on it and align, click on it. And this is center, so I center it. So double click, okay, so let's go over here. And it says discover the odd metabolism trigger. So we have to read and come out with a catchy title. So I'll go back here and I'll say discover going to add a button. So to add a button, click on add button, and I'll go with this. Let me see, I want a solid button. I don't want, okay, so this one is solid. I'll click here and move it over. Okay, so I'll move all the way here. Alright, so before I proceed, there's one thing I would like to tell you and I forgot. Please make sure you save this page. Okay, because when the internet goes off, everything is gone. So click save. This is the username that I used to set it up. So it's gonna be blogsdom.wixsite.com/my site. So if you wanna edit, you can edit. So let's say I'll edit this. What I'll do next, I'll click done. So right now I've saved it, so I don't have problem. So now we're gonna add the link. So we go back, we're gonna click on promote, then you copy affiliate link, or you can just highlight this, highlight everything, then you copy, move over, click this, add link, web address, then you paste this. So when you paste your affiliate link name, for instance, mine is Blogsdom. Also, if you want to add your campaign name is, let's say I want to promote this on Facebook. Whenever I make a sale, I know where it's coming from. So when everything is done, what you're gonna do, you click done. Then you close this. Then you click save. Done. We need to add affiliate disclaimers. Click on test to highlight. Then you go back to the product. Scroll all the way down. We have terms, privacy. Sometimes you might have a disclaimer, terms and privacy. So it doesn't matter. Whatever you have for the product is what you're gonna use. So I'll go back. So I'll highlight this, edit text, click on link, web address, right click and paste. Then you click done. Alright, so as you can tell, it's underlined. Then we go back here again, then click on privacy, double click this, highlight everything, right click, copy, go back to Wix, double click to highlight, click on link, web address, right click, paste. Done. You can also add a link to your image, so you click on it, link. Okay, when you click link, then you click website, then you add your affiliate link here, so you click done, then you close it. So if somebody click on the button, it goes to the sales page, or if they click on the photo, it goes to the sales page as well. Yeah, that's another trick. Now there's one more thing we need to add. Alright, so this is really important, so pay attention. Alright, so right now everything is good to go. Alright, so here you can write your company name or your blog name or just your name. Alright, so we're gonna click save with the changes that we've made. So click save, always don't forget, then done. And the background, if you have to change the background color or image, you just click, then click on change background. All right, so you can change the color, you can change image, or add background video. All right, so since 99% of the people use cell phone or mobile phones, we have to optimize the mobile version. All right, so to optimize, click on the mobile icon to switch. So we're gonna scroll down. You see, even the button doesn't look nice, and terms and privacy is not properly aligned. And you know what? Sometimes when people see this, they get confused and they think your site is not good. So it's better to move this down. So what I'll do, I'll just move this up. All right. So this is good. I like it this way. So when you are done, just click save first. Yeah, and earlier on, I forgot to tell you, you can edit this name. So, you know, the product I'm promoting is called Metico. But let's say if you're promoting something like iPhone, change this to iPhone. So you're going to click on edit, then you change it to iPhone, then you click the check sign. All right. So that's how you do it. Make sure you click done. Okay. All right. So I'll go back and make sure nothing is changed on the desktop. All right. So everything is good on desktop. You know what? I can just move this up just so it's gonna be congruent on both devices. Okay, I like it like this. So I'll save. Whenever you save, it's gonna ask you if you wanna change something, but I don't want to, so I'll click done. And I'll go to the mobile version again to make sure everything is good. And let's scroll up and down. Everything looks good. Okay, so I always try to click save again just in case. Then click done. Then go back here. Okay, so when everything is done, all right, so everything is done, so it's time to publish. Top right, publish, click on it. All right, so the site is published. So this is the link you're gonna be promoting on social media, and even if you wanna do ads and stuff like that. So you just double click to highlight, right click, copy, and that's what you're gonna be promoting. But let's check it out. Right click, paste, enter, bam. So this is it, okay? Nice and simple. You'll be surprised this converts simple landing page converts better than complicated one. So this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel because I drop videos like this every week. Do subscribe so you will not miss my next video. Until next time, take care and